The lecture is entitled A Timely, Untimely Education. The idea for this lecture arose last summer in Rome while I was teaching St. John's students at RILA, the Roman Institute for the Liberal Arts. My class read Nietzsche's essay on the advantage and disadvantage of history for life toward the end of our time there. In addition to meeting for morning seminars, as a group we had spent the weeks of late June and July visiting churches and museums, wandering the cobblestone streets, taking in the special way the light hits the yellows, rusts, and reds of the old buildings. That light is reminiscent of the sun pouring through the canyons of the Southwest. But in Rome, it seems to point beyond nature, to the magnificent story of human lives that have played out in those streets. These stories still whisper from the open shutters and old shops, from cafe tables and cool church interiors, from ancient structures and exquisite works of art.